Do you want a simple way to change your life? Do you want a tool that you can use every single day to feel better and attract your desires? Hello, I am David Newstein. I have dedicated my life to understanding and teaching the principles of manifesting and the law of attraction. Many people ask me for one simple tool they can start with right now. Today, I want to share that tool with you. I discuss it in Chapter 6, Part 2 of my book. It is a practice that has profoundly shaped my reality. It is the practice of using affirmations. Are you ready to learn how a few words can start to shift your world? So, what is an affirmation? Let's make this very simple. An affirmation is a short, positive sentence that you repeat to yourself, either out loud or silently in your mind. Think of it as a statement of truth about the reality you wish to create. It is a way of telling your mind and the universe what you want to have. You might use an affirmation to attract more money, to improve your health, to find a loving relationship, or to build your self-confidence. It is important to understand that an affirmation is a tool, not a magic wand that works all by itself. Its power comes from how you use it. When you repeat an affirmation with attention and, most importantly, with feeling, you begin to change your inner world. You are essentially planting a seed in the garden of your mind. Just like a real seed, it needs consistent watering and sunlight to grow. The repetition is the watering. The positive feeling you connect with it is the sunlight. Over time, this seed grows into a strong belief that can change your life. Many people wonder if affirmations are just wishful thinking. When you wish for something, you are focused on the fact that you do not have it. An affirmation, when done correctly, helps you shift your focus. Instead of saying, "I wish I had more money," you say, "Money flows to me easily." Can you feel the difference? The goal of an affirmation is to create an internal state that matches the external reality you want to experience. It is a form of mental and emotional rehearsal. Athletes do this all the time. They visualize the perfect shot or the winning race over and over until it becomes second nature. Affirmations do the same thing for your life goals. You are training your mind and your emotions to align with success, health, happiness. You are becoming the person who already has what you want from the inside out. This is the simple and profound secret behind their power. How would you show up today if your affirmation were already true? Now, let's talk about why affirmations are such a perfect partner for the law of attraction. In simple terms, the law of attraction states that like attracts like. The energy you send out through your dominant thoughts, feelings, and beliefs is what you attract. If you constantly focus on lack and problems, you will tend to attract more of them. It is a very simple, neutral principle, like gravity. This is where affirmations become your greatest ally. Your thoughts create your feelings, and your feelings create your vibrational energy. Affirmations are a direct and deliberate way to guide your thoughts. You are consciously interrupting old patterns of fatigue or illness. By repeating a new thought consistently, you change the dominant frequency of your thinking, which changes your feelings and your overall energy. By using an affirmation, you broadcast a clear, strong, positive signal. Creating an affirmation that works for you is a simple process. Let me give you some clear rules to follow. Rule 1. Always use the present tense. Your subconscious mind understands the present moment. Instead of saying, "I will be healthy," say, "I am healthy." This tells your mind it is your reality right now. Rule 2. Keep it short and simple. 10 words or less is often best. It should be easy to remember and repeat. Money flows to me easily and joyfully. Rule 3. Always use positive language. State what you want, not what you do not want. Say, "I am financially abundant." "I have more than enough money." Finally, make it believable. Use bridge phrases if needed. I want to show you the exact process I use. This will make it very practical for you. Let's walk through it together. First, I get quiet and choose one clear desire. One main area at a time. Example: more money. My focus for this period will be improving my financial situation. Write options in present tense. I am attracting more money now. I am a magnet for financial abundance. I pick the line that feels best. I say it out loud and check my body. expansion, or resistance. If it feels too big, I soften it. Bridge option. I am open to receiving unexpected money. Or, I am getting better at managing my money every day. I choose the version that feels true or possible right now. Step 4. Say it with feeling. I breathe, smile, and invite relief, joy, or security the desire brings. Step 5. Repetition. Place it where you will see and say it often. Mirror note or a phone reminder. Choose, write, feel, repeat. Which line will you practice today? Start now with one sentence. To help you start, here are examples. Use as is or tailor to fit you. Money flows to me easily and frequently. I have more than enough money to meet all of my needs. I am open and receptive to new streams of income now. I manage my money with wisdom and it grows. My body is strong, healthy, and full of energy. Every day, in every way, I am feeling better and better. I make healthy choices that nourish and heal my body. I sleep deeply and wake refreshed. I attract kind, respectful, loving people. I am worthy and deserving of a beautiful, loving relationship. I am doing meaningful work I truly enjoy. Wonderful opportunities are now coming to me. I am confident and capable in my skills and talents. Which sentence made you feel lighter? That's the one to start with. Where and when should you use them? Consistency makes this work. Link affirmations to habits you already have. Habit stacking. Attach to existing moments, no extra time needed. Start the moment you wake up. Before your phone, say your affirmation. Repeat gently as you drift off. Say it in the shower while brushing your teeth and as you make your coffee. Place sticky notes where you'll see them. Each site is a cue to repeat. Quality beats quantity. Try 3 to 5 times morning and night. Use it whenever you need a boost. Simply repeating words without feeling will not create much change. Add emotion. Feeling is the fuel. When you say it, feel as if it's already true. I am in a loving, happy relationship. Feel the warmth, the joy, the security. This emotional signature is what the law of attraction responds to. Add visualization. Create a short mental movie. See the numbers. Feel relief and gratitude. Words, images, feelings. Together, they're potent. Anchor with a gesture. Hand over heart or a smile. Smiling shifts your state toward joy. Make it real. Smell fresh paint. Feel the countertop. Hear birds outside. The more real it feels, the faster belief deepens. You may face common roadblocks. That's normal. Be kind to yourself. Your mind may argue, but I'm not healthy. I feel sick. I don't have enough money. Don't fight it. Use a bridge. I am open to my body's natural healing. I am taking steps to feel better each day. Let belief grow over time. Affirmations can surface old beliefs. This is a good sign. They're ready to clear. Notice doubt without judgment. I see this thought. Thank you. I am now choosing a new thought. You're not fighting darkness. You're turning on the light. If results seem slow, be patient. Change begins inside. Celebrate inner shifts and small wins. Avoid long, vague lines or too many at once. Simplify to 1 or 2 you feel. I want to give you a very simple plan for your first week. Day 1. Choose one area and write one clear affirmation. Make it positive, present tense, and believable. That's it for day 1. Day 2. Say it 3 times morning and night. Feel a bit of the positive emotion. Add 1 minute of visualization each time. See it, feel it, enjoy it. Day 4. Use your affirmation to gently redirect negative thoughts. Day 5. Add 1 moment of gratitude after your evening practice. Day 6. Look for any small sign things are moving and write 1 win. Day 7. Repeat the full routine and celebrate your consistency. Gentle consistency is enough to start shifting your reality. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe to Infinite Potential Manifesting for more clear steps and practical tools. I look forward to seeing you there.